Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
iCloud backup stores encrypted snapshots of your device data on Apple servers. It happens automatically when your iPhone or iPad is locked and on Wi-Fi. Backups also require the device to be connected to power and have sufficient iCloud space. The system captures photos, messages, device settings, app data, and purchase history for convenient restoration. Each backup version is separate and stored until replaced or deleted by the user. Data in transit is encrypted and held encrypted at rest on Apple infrastructure. Backups run automatically each day when the device meets Wi-Fi, charging, and lock conditions. The process detects changed files and uploads only recent deltas to reduce bandwidth. This incremental approach saves iCloud storage and shortens backup windows for large libraries. You can force a backup instantly from settings by tapping Backup Now when connected to Wi-Fi. Large media libraries may still require more time and storage, depending on your network speed and iCloud plan. Restoring a device uses the latest backup that matches the device model and iOS version. During setup, you choose a backup, and the system downloads apps, settings, and media to recreate the prior state. Backups are encrypted in transit and stored encrypted at rest to protect your data on Apple servers. Apple cannot access certain end-to-end encrypted items without your device key. Manage backups and storage from settings to delete old backups or upgrade your iCloud plan as needed.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.